Hey, this is Adrian, the co-founder of LeadsGorilla, and I am excited to introduce you to LeadsGorilla 2.0, the revolutionary AI-powered platform that helps you find pre-qualified leads and close clients in just 3 simple steps. So let's get started, because in this video, I want to show you exactly how it's done in just 3 simple steps. Step number 1, on the lead finding screen, you can enter a search, a criteria, all right, based on location and niche. So let's say we are interested in finding beauty salon in Miami, Florida, all right, and just hit search. In just a matter of seconds, LeadsGorilla 2.0 will give you a list of pre-qualified leads with all the details, their lead score technology. We even included the AI suggestion service in the 2.0, which is going to tell you what type of services these businesses are most likely to purchase from you. All right, so you get the leads, and while they are still loading, as you can see on the bottom of the screen right here, we are also checking if the businesses are claimed or unclaimed. This is how simple it is to find pre-qualified leads in LeadsGorilla 2.0, along with their optimization AI lead score technology and their claimed or unclaimed status. Just want to find more leads, just click on show more, and the system is going to load a batch of new leads. Still not enough, just click it one more time, and in just a matter of seconds, I was able to pull out over 60 pre-qualified beauty salons in Miami that I can market my digital services to. Now let's go ahead and jump to step number 2, which is generating a high converting and attention grabbing PDF report by auditing their online business, their website, their Google My Business, their Facebook. As you can see, for the reports, LeadsGorilla 2.0 comes with Google Business Profile reports, which this is the former Google My Business. We got Facebook reports, SEO reports, citations reports, Core Web Vitals reports, which is a new one added to the features. And on top of that, you also get the chance to edit the reports and change the languages, which we're going to be covered later down this demo. So let's go ahead and generate a Google Business Profile report for one of our new campaigns. So for the leads from the new campaign, and let's just randomly select this one and generate a full Google My Business report. So you have the options in the Google My Business report to check claimed, if the business is claimed or unclaimed, the mobile friendly, the social report, the video report, the Facebook pixel, AdWords pixel, analytics, and Google Search Console as well. And if you have the Pro upgrade for LeadsGorilla, then you're going to be able to select the local schema, content CTA, Yelp report, Google Tag Manager, SSL certificates, Open Graph, SERP snippets, WordPress report, Google Local Leads, which is a new addition to the 2.0. We also have Google Paid Ads in the report and also their Google rankings. So if you have the Pro version, then you should be selecting all of them and hit generate report. Now, in just a matter of seconds, up to 1 minute, we are going to interrogate all these data sets above that you see and compose a beautiful and attention grabbing report. And boom, there we have it, ladies and gentlemen. Here is the beautiful Google Business Optimization report, which is going to include your the business's details on the top. All right, their address, their name, their profile picture. We got Google Business Profile, which we're going to be telling if anything is missing from here, just like in this case, the email is missing from their Google Business Profile. Let's see what else. We got the category, we got the reviews, the ratings, the business status, the Google My Business photos and posts. All right, we're also going to tell you the local ads, the paid ads, and the local ranking. So if the business is running local ads or paid ads, we're going to be highlighting that here. For this scenario, this business does not run any paid ads at all, not even local, not even normal paid ads, and certainly they're not ranking into the first page of Google. So what clients are saying about you, here's where we're going to be posting their reviews. So if the reviews are available, they're going to be showed up here. We're also checking if the business is claimed or unclaimed, the top 5 competitors. We're also looking into the responsiveness of the website. So we're going to be analyzing that as well. If this is responsive, we're going to be highlighting that into the report. The social media analysis, just like you can see on the screen right here, this business only have an Instagram account, so they're missing a Facebook, Pinterest, and YouTube account, which they're missing out a lot on social media. Also, we're looking into video analysis, if we can find videos on YouTube from this business. The Facebook pixel is missing. This means that the business is not actively advertising on Facebook. So this can be a service alone that you can offer to businesses. Google Ads pixel is missing. Again, seems like the business is not really advertising on Facebook or Google. Analytics pixel is not installed. This means the business is not really tracking their traffic. So this is another service that you can be offering. Webmaster Tools is missing. This is a huge problem when it comes to ranking in Google, as well as the Google markup schema. As you can see, for this particular business, it's missing. There's no call to action on the first page or on the contact page of the website. So that is something else that needs to be fixed for this particular business. We indeed find the Yelp business for the listing, which we marked it as okay. Let's see, Google Tag Manager is missing, obviously, so this can also be implemented for better tracking the traffic and the ROI of their advertising. Open Graph SEO protocol is installed. As you can see, we found 8 attributes for Open Graph SEO. The SSL certificate is installed, so the website is secure. This is a good sign. The website seems like it's not built on WordPress, so this may be an old, amateurish, and even outdated website. So you can propose your website creation services if you find this on any of the leads. The SERP snippet on how they are looking inside Google. And at the end of it, you're going to be getting a report overview to tell you how optimized or how unoptimized a business really is. So with this report in hand, you can simply download it. It's going to look just as good as in the web version. In fact, our reports are print ready, so you can just download them, print them, and send them directly to their physical address. And one more thing that you can add is the footer information inside the report. You can customize the footer information with your own brand message, your own brand logo, and also your brand name, website, email, and phone number, so that customers, potential customers, can reach out to you directly after reading the report. So at this stage, pretty much the sale is kind of already made for you. So they're already been sold at this stage. Jumping into the step number 3, we're going to give you the full solution end to end, so you can find leads, you can audit their business, and then you can contact them using our new AI writing email writer. All right, so you can just use this new AI writing tools that's going to create the perfect cold email to reach out to the customers, that you can even customize with your own placeholder to make it look more unique and more personalized for the business. So step number 3, you just go ahead and navigate to contact leads and just click on send email. Let's go ahead and say we are interested in selling SEO services. We can simply just choose one of these highly personalized email templates, which are created by professional copywriters to get you more clients closed. So let's go ahead and pick lead name. We're in love with your website, and then we put the website address in the subject line. So this makes it very, very personal at the end user. So as you can see, here is the email. You can go ahead and customize this as per your needs. Include your name, your last name, your business name, and your phone. These are also placeholders that can be automatically changed for you with your account settings. And we'll also be going to use their business name, their city, their website, so to make this even more customized. So once you're happy with your email, you can simply preview the email and send the email. And as well, you can just send it to yourself. So for the third step, I want to introduce you to the new features of the AI writing tools that are particularly created for LeadsGorilla lead closing. All right, so let's go ahead and write a new email. There we go. And hit next. Simply select your lead from the drop down over here, your campaign, and then select a particular lead. So let's go ahead with Oil Beauty Salon. All the information are going to be pre-filled for you and used in the AI email creation in the next step. and just hit next. Here we can select what type of service do we want to sell, or we can even create our own service. So once we are happy with it, just hit next. The purpose of the email, this is just an example. So let's go ahead and generate our email. And boom, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. We have created our outreach email to sell SEO services to this business. You can edit and save, or you can copy to clipboard directly. Let's go ahead and hit edit and save. Now we can always come back here and view our template, or even go ahead and modify it as per your needs. So on top of the 3 simple steps that you can use to close clients using LeadsGorilla, we also are giving you access to AI marketing writing tools, SEO tools, local tools, CRM, local agency, and depending on the license that you're upgrading, you're going to be unlocking more features that are available inside LeadsGorilla. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead, click the button below this video or somewhere on the page and secure your access to LeadsGorilla 2.0, the revolutionary AI-powered lead finding and client closing system that you ever come across. So with that being said, this is your good friend Adrian, the co-founder of LeadsGorilla, and I look forward in welcoming you inside the LeadsGorilla members community alongside over 21,000 happy members that have been using LeadsGorilla to find leads, close clients, and generate stable income.